Why does your scanner show the P2669 engine code? What does it mean? P2669 is a diagnostic trouble code for actuator supply voltage, B circuit or open. The P2669 engine code for indicate the engine control module, ECM or PCM, has detected a loss, drop, or abnormal voltage on. Under this circumstance, short distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged or corroded wiring, shorts to ground, faulty actuators or solenoids, poor electrical connections, malfunctioning engine control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, and Volvo. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.